All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the technician shortage is only going to get worse after the shutdown is over. All right, so what do I mean by that? Well, a lot of people are, shops are shut down. A lot of people aren't making a lot of money. And a lot of technicians or mechanics are going to decide to get out of this industry. Well, for those of us that remain, jobs are going to be a lot easier to get once all this is over. Now, this is all going to be over at some point, so everything will open back up. But you have to remember, we got to tough through it right now, but once everything is, over and we're back to the new normal, a lot of technicians who got laid off, who got, shops that went out of business because they couldn't make it through all this, etc., are going to be choosing other careers. So for those of us that make it through this, there's going to be a lot of opportunities out there once it all boils out. Because, again, there's going to probably be a whole lot less of us in the job pool, and there's already a shortage. We know this. It's well established. A lot of the younger kids are not getting into this profession, and older people are retiring or dying, depending on your perception and how you think. But the fact of the matter is the technician pool is going to shrink a good bit when this is over. So bear that in mind when you're, sitting there trying to figure out how to pay bills. We got to get through this. Everybody's in this situation. I can't tell you how many people are being laid off, are, trying to figure out how to pay rent. My wife manages an apartment complex in Midtown. A lot of her residents are in restaurants, hospitality. A lot of them are struggling because they don't have jobs. So you're definitely not alone in this, but struggle through it. When you come out the other side, there's going to be a lot of opportunity out there for good technicians to move up in the world, to increase their pay, find a really good shop that they can work for a long time and continue to grow. Little side note, since we're talking about this, I know a lot of people online are going, oh, flat rate, yeah, I bet you're loving flat rate now. If you know how to manage your money, you'd be fine. Regardless, you should learn how to manage your money, so you should be fine anyway, at least right now. I mean, 6 months down the road is a little different, but a month shouldn't kill you. A lot of people have been talking about, shops not stepping up, and the owner here has stepped up. He's adding hours to everybody's paycheck just to keep everybody doing okay. We're shifting, various technicians are taking vacations, etc., paid or unpaid, our option, so that everybody can make a okay paycheck instead of everybody making a horrible paycheck. He'd still bump our hours up, but he is stepping up and taking care of everybody regardless of what you're doing. The boss here is definitely not going, oh, well, you're flat rate, so screw you. He's definitely taking care of us, and I want to emphasize that because a lot of people are, harping on that. Now, a good shop owner should. He should be not letting his flat rate technicians that have made him bunches of money over the years, starve to death while we're going through, what we're going through. Side note, I'm wearing the Lagavulin hat because lately everybody's been harping on, me wearing a Snap-on hat, standing in front of a Matco toolbox, XYZ hat, doing this, so I'm going to wear my Lagavulin hat I got in Scotland, so at least for right now. My favorite hat, got it in Isla. You know Scotch, you know where that is. Do your best to hold on, because once this is over, it's going to open back up and you're going to have your pick of shops, because a lot of technicians are going to get out. Struggle through, come out the other side, and make more money at the end of it. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.